Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, check it out. I am all fall today. I have my pair eyewear glasses. Check these out. These are so cool. You can just pop them on. These are my fall quilted lenses. By the way, I now have an affiliate code. You get 10% off with Queen of the Girl Geeks 10. So check out the link below. I'm digging these so much. A lot of people are asking, where did I put my Harry Potter ones? Here they are. The Harry Potter ones, these are actually the Wizarding Shop's frames. I love these. These are so adorable, I gotta say. But I'm feeling like I want to wear the quilted fall ones today because I'm going to talk about Bath and Body Works Leaves, which, by the way, has to be one of the strongest fall candles ever from Bath and Body Works. So we're going to talk about that. But first up, I want to talk about some sales. I can't believe it's August 13th, Friday the 13th, by the way. I have a Kringle video coming up, Halloween, Friday the 13th. I actually went outside today. You know, I've had this cold, and we have one of those black walnut trees, and it is just dumping those green balls like everywhere. So I've been trying to kind of clean up the yard. The leaves are starting to turn. I'm like looking out my side window. Not totally turning yet, but I have a feeling in the next like 2 or 3 weeks, we're really going to see the fall leaves start to change. So I was talking about sales. I got all off track here. So today we still have the buy one, get one free on the candles. The best deal on that is the $24.95 ones because get hot cocoa and cream. Tomorrow, we're supposed to be having a friend and family percent off purchase email exclusive. I don't know what that is. On the 17th, Wallflower soap email exclusive. The 19th, a mystery percentage off. And then on the 22nd, online only, a 3-week gift with $50 purchase. So I'm not sure about those yet. Thank you so much, Jason, for sending me that information. So let's talk about leaves. I don't even see this one online. Is this one sold out? I didn't look very hard though. I'm seeing it in the red white barn jar. So leaves is crisp red apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice, which I never thought the scent notes necessarily matched the candle. Here's the lid on this one. To me, this one is such a unique scent. And it's funny because in past years, dropping things, I dropped my eyeglass cleaner. This is so cute. It's an avocado. In past years, I have not been super on board with leaves other than like in the hand soap. But this year, when they introduced the body care, all of a sudden, like the door opened on leaves, and it literally, I think, is like my favorite scent, especially with the body care. I'm using the mist, I'm using the cream. I like the shower gel. There's just something about the apple clove spice scent for fall that I'm absolutely loving. So now, all of a sudden, after years of not being super hot on leaves, 2023 is the year of leaves for me. And I've had that happen with other Bath and Body Works scents. Like, you know, you're not super crazy about it. Then all of a sudden, you're like, yeah, I kind of like this one a lot more than I thought I did. In terms of the candle, I think the problem with the candle for me is it's too strong. So in years past, every time I light up the leaves candle, after I've got it burning for like an hour or two, I'm like, I gotta blow this thing out because it overwhelms the room a little bit for me. I think it's just the clove, and it does have a very like heaty scent to it. And it just can be overpowering. If you get migraines or headaches, this may not be the scent for you. It's funny, in the body care, it's toned down enough for me that I like it. But the candle is, like I said, it's like an 11 in terms of throw. A lot of people love this one though. A, because it's strong, and B, it really does embody the entire fall season. It's not like apple, like pumpkin apple. It's not sweet. But that warm clove spice, I don't know what combination they have in there, but it really just like takes over the room. It's a great kitchen candle. I gotta say, like if you want to like clear out your kitchen and really warm it up and give it a nice aroma, burn leaves in there for like 2 hours and your kitchen's gonna smell that way, at least, for an hour, I swear, if you blow it out. Um, this will fill a large room very, very well. So, like I said, there's a lot of mixed feelings, I think, on leaves. Some people think it's too strong in the candle, kind of like me. I do like it in the hand soap. They've got concentrated room spray. They've got single wick. We got a lot of leaves going on. Actually, I think the body care, no, it's still available. That's part of the 60% off sale. So if you want to try the body care, I love it. I think there's just the perfect, it's a little bit creamier in the body care too. There's just a perfect mix of that clove spice. So anyway, I'm probably going to keep my leaves candle going for about another half hour. Then I might have to blow this one out because it's going to get too strong. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm slowly getting better. Hopefully by the time Christmas rolls around, I will be completely cured of whatever this cold is. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.